Hey guys, in today's video I would like to talk about how business hours impact local SEO. Google recently confirmed that it impacts business ranking. There are some benefits to it and some drawbacks. And in this video I'm going to pinpoint all of them. Accurate business hours contribute significantly to a business's visibility in local search results. When users search for a service or product near them, Google takes into account the relevance of the business and its operating hours. Businesses that provide up-to-date information are more likely to appear prominently in local search results. Consistent and accurate business hours contribute to a positive user experience. Users are more likely to trust businesses that provide reliable information, including their operational hours. This trust can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Google Maps is a popular tool for users seeking local businesses. The inclusion of business hours as a ranking factor means that businesses with accurate information are more likely to rank higher in Google Maps results. This can be a game changer for attracting nearby customers. With the rise of mobile searches and voice-activated assistants, users are often looking for quick answers on the go. Business hours become more critical in these scenarios as users expect immediate and accurate information. Google's emphasis on business hours as a ranking factor reflects the changing nature of search behavior. So what are the best practices for business owners? Well, business owners should regularly update their operating hours on their profile, if you have Google My Business, of course. And change the hours during holidays and events should be reflected on your business hours to ensure accuracy. Google My Business allows businesses to set special hours for holidays or other occasions. Taking advantage of this feature ensures that users receive the most relevant information during specific times. User reviews often include feedback on business hours. Monitoring and responding to reviews, especially those mentioning operating hours, can demonstrate a commitment to customer satisfaction and rectify any potential inaccuracies. Google's confirmation of business hours as a ranking factor reinforces the importance of providing accurate and up-to-date information for local businesses. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, businesses that prioritize transparency and user experience by maintaining precise business hours are likely to enjoy enhanced visibility, trust, and success in the competitive online marketplace. Now, the benefits. Of course, enhanced visibility. Accurate business hours contribute to increased visibility in local search results, helping businesses stand out when users are looking for relevant products or services in their vicinity. Providing reliable information on operating hours enhances the overall user experience. Users appreciate businesses that offer transparent and up-to-date information, leading to a higher level of customer satisfaction. Trust and credibility. consistent business hours build trust and credibility with customers. When users encounter accurate information, it fosters a sense of reliability and professionalism, increasing the likelihood of them choosing the business. Of course, there are more to it. I mean, if a business provides not very satisfactory service, tweaking business hours won't really matter because customers want the right service and without a great customer service. Competitive advantage would be businesses that prioritize maintaining accurate hours gain a competitive edge. They are more likely to rank higher in local search results, attracting more potential customers and outperforming competitors with outdated, inconsistent information. Of course, you can optimize your Google Maps, which is crucial for local searches, and businesses with accurate hours are more likely to appear prominently in search results. What are the drawbacks? Well, for small businesses with limited resources, constantly updating and monitoring business hours may be a challenge. This can lead to potential inaccuracies, negatively impacting their businesses and online visibility. Dependency on platform. Relying on a single platform such as Google for ranking factors can be limiting. While it is essential to optimize for Google My Business, I believe businesses should also consider other aspects of their online presence to ensure a diverse and comprehensive strategy, because people are not machines. And they can use AI to respond to customers, but many people, it doesn't really matter. They want to connect with human, not AI, and they just shy away from when they see that an automated machine response. So yeah, it could have a drawback because people need time to rest, and there are holidays such as Christmas, New Year, and other festivities. So it is difficult, not especially for small businesses. They need to operate in limited hours during holidays. So inaccurate business hours may lead to negative user reviews, impacting a business reputation. While this can be rectified by addressing concerns and updating information, negative reviews may linger and influence potential customers. Some businesses may have dynamic schedules due to events, promotions, seasonal changes. Adapting to these variations and consistency updating information require diligence and may pose challenges for certain companies and establishments. And another thing is algorithm changes. Google's algorithms are subject to updates, and ranking factors may evolve over time. Businesses need to stay informed about changes and adopt their strategies accordingly. So the takeaway here is this: it can affect your ranking factors but some businesses can cheat, especially small businesses and those who are involved in marketing and search engine optimization. They can just say we are 24/7 open, and then customers rely on those information. They contact the business, and if the business is closed and is lying, so they can leave negative reviews. So that wouldn't be a good idea, but many would do it. And as for freelancers, if you have your permanent clients and you respond to client on time and you do the job right, you shouldn't be worried about any of it, because many freelancers operate on freelance platforms. So it's very important to respond to your customers on time and let the customers, and you can have automated message, let the customers or prospects know that you'll be back, let's say, within 24 hours due to festivities. And e-commerce, especially successful e-commerce owners who provide skincare products, cosmetic products, clothing, well, I wouldn't be worried about that, because there are so many ranking factors out there. And I know some e-commerce owners who are very successful. They have permanent client base, and they're not worried about it. They just announce on their site, for example, they're operating in limited hours during their festivities. So this is just to increase awareness that it counts. One of the ranking factors in terms of SEO, but I really suggest that not to be honest, guys. I mean, there are other ways you can have on your website, on other platforms, Trustpilot and such, Yelp, and real customers will notice if they are these kind of reviews are fake or not. So I give you an example of myself. I was looking for a VFX artist for my film project, and one of my film project, because there were some technical issues, and I wanted someone with better tools to take over. And I went through different profiles, and finally I found this freelancer, and I saw very negative review. The person wrote that, yeah, it took time. He delivered, but it took so many turnarounds, but finally he did a job, and he gave 2 stars out of 5 stars to the freelancers, which was very negative. I usually myself, when I look at the end result and turnaround, it really doesn't matter. It shouldn't impact the review, right? And the freelancer's response to that buyer was that it was very challenging. Prior to sending the order, he was he gave me certain directions, and after I provided the exact VFX design, then means visual effects. It's a shorthand for VFX is a short term for visual effects. So, and he said that, he changed the ideas, and he asked me totally something new, and I did that too. So because of that, I decided to choose that VFX artist. So sometimes negative review and the way so you have to, as a service provider, you have to respond to reviews no matter what. And sometimes, especially on Google, it depends on your country. Those agents at Google may not be very responsive due to huge amount of inquiries. They should be. They have to hire more people, but a few months ago they had to lay off many employees in the name of future advances and stuff like that. I'm not going through those because they're not relevant in this video. Anyway, I hope that this information I provided was useful to you, and I wish you all a lovely day and stay safe. Maria Johnsen is signing out. Bye.